Okay, our next category is race cars post-war 1966 to 1974. Merit awards go to Richard Lincoln from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, with a 1967 Ford Holman Moody Mustang. Dr. Hassan Magdaham, I hope I'm saying that correctly, from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, with a 1967 Ferrari 206 Dino. And that is a race-specific car. That is not it's a prototype car rather than the Dinos as we're particularly talking about. Again, our winners are Richard Lincoln with a 1967 Ford and Dr. Hassan I'll say it right again, Magadam from Ottawa, Ontario, Canada, with a 1967 Ferrari Dino prototype race car.
We'll give them a couple of seconds to make their way up. Well, let's move on to the winner.
Okay. And the winner, best in class in the race car post-war category 66 to 74, is John Bober of Rockledge, Florida, with a 1971 Dodge Charger RT SSE factory super stock drag car. This was a very, very cool car. This was the All-American Racing Team, which started as the Rod Shop in Columbus, Ohio. John Bober, if he's there, please come up. It became a very well-known enterprise in the 1960s, driving many different cars. However, in 1970, they inked a deal with Dodge to run Chargers exclusively, and this is one of those cars. It has a modified 426 Hemi with 700 horsepower.